पाकिस्तान के मुस्तकिल मंदूब आसिम इफ्तिखार अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की जनरल असम्बली में खिताब कर रहे हैं।
The anguish of mothers should shake our conscience. Palestine looks to this council and we cannot turn away. Regardless of circumstances, we will not remain idle. We will continue to act, to speak, and to uphold our responsibilities. This is our duty. To the brave and resilient people of Palestine, waging a just struggle against occupation for their inalienable right to self-determination and freedom. And there is no other choice. I thank you.
I thank the representative of Pakistan for the statement. I now give the floor to the representative of France.
Merci, Monsieur.
Thank you, President. France would first of all like to thank the 10 elected members of the Security Council for this draft resolution. France voted in favor of the document, but it was not adopted in spite of 14 votes in favor. However, we can all see that an absolute tragedy is unfolding before our eyes in Gaza. This draft resolution was focused on humanitarian issues and reiterated 3 equally important requirements. First, an immediate, unconditional, and lasting ceasefire. France strongly condemns the extension and intensification of the Israeli offensive within Gaza City. This has already led to the forced displacement.
मुत्तहिदा की सलामती काउंसिल में पाकिस्तान के मंदूब आसिम इफ्तिखार खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि गजा में रोज़ाना बेगुनाह लोगों को शहीद किया जा रहा है और पाकिस्तान के मुस्तकिल मंदूब आसिम इफ्तिखार ने खिताब किया। उन्होंने कहा कि गजा में बच्चे भूख से मर रहे हैं। इसराइल ने गजा में अस्पताल तक को नहीं बख्शा।